ABC Speaking Academy.
Today, let's have a speaking practice using an English daily conversation. May I go out, please? May I go out, please? Could you give me a pen? Could you give me a pen? Good evening, teacher. Good evening, teacher. Can I go to the toilet? Can I go to the toilet? Ma'am, I haven't done my homework. Ma'am, I haven't done my homework. Sorry for being late. Sorry for being late. After lunch, we will go to the library. After lunch, we will go to the library. Who is your class teacher? Who is your class teacher? May I come in, teacher? May I come in, teacher? You will not be able to deal with him. You will not be able to deal with him. Did you get my point? Did you get my point? I have a lot to talk about. I have a lot to talk about. Please clean the board. Please clean the board. How are you today? How are you today? Is the last lesson in English? Is the last lesson in English? Do you have a stapler? Do you have a stapler? I don't understand. I don't understand. May I have a pencil, please? May I have a pencil, please? Please come as soon as possible. Please come as soon as possible. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. I am sorry, I didn't hear. I am sorry, I didn't hear. I will try my level best. I will try my level best. Well done. Keep it up. Well done. Keep it up. Stop making such a noise. Stop making such a noise. Anything else? Anything else? Walk carefully. Walk carefully. Go slow from the crowd. Go slow from the crowd. How do you feel? How do you feel? I am very strict on this matter. I am very strict on this matter. Thanks for listening.